Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Whop, a super popular platform that's helping so many people turn their passions into profit. It's essentially a marketplace where you can sell pretty much anything digital, from exclusive communities to unique courses and tools. If you've got valuable knowledge or a cool product, Whop makes it incredibly straightforward to reach your audience and start earning. Let's explore how you can get started right away. So, what can you actually sell on Whop? The possibilities are quite broad, which is great. Many users find success by creating exclusive communities, perhaps a private Discord server where you share insights or host events. Others sell digital products like custom software, ebooks, or templates for graphic design. You can even offer personalized services, such as one-on-one coaching sessions, leveraging your unique expertise. The key is to identify what value you can provide. Getting your store set up on Whop is a pretty seamless process, designed to be user-friendly. First, you'll create your storefront, giving it a name and a clear description of what you offer. Then, you'll add your specific products or memberships, setting your desired pricing and outlining all the benefits customers will receive. Don't forget to connect your preferred payment accounts, like Stripe, so you can easily receive your earnings once sales start coming in. It's all about getting ready for your first customers. Once your store is live, effective marketing is crucial for driving sales. Start by promoting your Whop link across your social media channels, whether that's Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. Think about running some targeted ads to reach a broader audience who might be interested in your niche. Building an email list is also incredibly powerful, allowing you to directly communicate with interested individuals and announce new products or special promotions. The goal is to get your amazing offerings in front of as many people as possible. To truly maximize your earnings on Whop, focus on consistent improvement and customer satisfaction. Regularly update your products or content to keep them fresh and relevant, and always provide excellent customer support to build loyalty. Encourage your happy customers to leave positive reviews, as this builds trust for future buyers. Also, dive into Whop's analytics. They provide valuable insights into what's working well, helping you refine your strategy and grow your income steadily over time. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.